Good evening, everyone. My last video, I brought back my engine block and head from the machinist shop. I will explain what was done, but in short, the engine block was fine. Whatever crack I had before, right here, it remained like that, and they found couple of pinholes where the fluid was leaking, but overall well was okay. So what the machinist told me, that it may leak like a one bubble in 24 hours or something. It's not a really concern. So engine block overall health is fine. What they did is they replaced all these 4 sleeves and machined the deck. So if you see, the surface is really nice and clean. So I have also received a full gasket kit for the engine block. All 4 sleeves replaced. Main bearings were machined also. No, I'm sorry, let me take it back. So that's what happened to the engine block, only the sleeves. And it was hot dip, washed, clean. Then I'll show you the head. And this is the crankshaft, and it is polished. There was nothing wrong with that, just polished. It was polished. And this is my engine block, the head. This is engine head. I'm gonna flip it. Give me a second.